mcube 5.1 redefined the standard. Now, 5.2 is rewriting the rules. The foundations of agentic AI are here. AI that doesn't just respond, but reasons, predicts, and acts. With semantic modeling, mcube 5.2 brings context to your chaos, extracting intent, relationships, and meaning from diverse data. And our data integration engine is now more powerful than ever, enabling real-time dynamic pipelines that scale with your data avalanche. These breakthrough capabilities aren't just technical milestones. They're driving real measurable transformation across industries, from manufacturing and life sciences, to the world of sports. Built on agentic AI, mcube is enabling real-time decisioning at the edge to boost plant reliability by detecting anomalies early, triggering predictive maintenance, and self-correcting process deviations. See how deep semantic modeling is transforming life sciences, connecting data, biomedical research, and lab records, to uncover hidden patterns and accelerate therapeutic breakthroughs. And in sports, we're decoding the beautiful game in real time, with our advanced intelligence system, interpreting this high-paced game for live multilingual commentary, and enabling data-driven talent scouting to spot future stars of football, all powered by the intelligence layer of mcube 5.2. All of it, powered by real-time, dynamic data pipelines, built for scale and speed. Join us, April 16th on LinkedIn, for an exclusive fireside chat and demonstration of how mcube 5.2 is powering next-gen transformation.